Before watch our video, please subscribe.
Even the most ambitious dog owners sometimes find it hard to fully satisfy their dog's need for mental workout. Dogs are smart, and they need to use their brain to stay mentally healthy. After a lot of hard work and a lot of fun testing, we built the Dogo game. You control the Dogo game on your phone. Every time your dog solves a task, a treat is released. From basic exercises, your dog progresses to more advanced levels. At Dogo, we're a team of passionate engineers working together with some of the best dog scientists in the world, creating an AI-based game that will help you keep your dog mentally healthy.
The package here.
Please leave the package.
Hey, can I help you?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
If there are only a few clothes to wash, how will you clean them? Public laundry? Not safe. Hand wash? Too tiring. Washing machine? Takes too long. Try the Easy Wash, designed for washing and drying only a few items of clothes. It's very easy to use. Put the clothes into the main soap, along with detergent and water. Lock the cover. Place the handle in the middle slot to wash for about 2 to 5 minutes. Pull off the bottom plug to drain the water. Switch the handle to drying mode for 30 seconds. Hundreds of holes in the cylinder to ensure effective and deep cleaning as it spins. Easy Wash is compact and easy to use, not just at home, but also when you're away from home, even when you're camping. You'll love Easy Wash.
So we asked ourselves, why do we have to buy bottled water that comes from halfway around the world? Why can't there be a sustainable, easy way to make water at home? Everyone already has virtually unlimited water delivered directly to your home through your tap.
And that's why we teamed up with Lee to create the Rocean One.
It's an all-in-one smart device that filters, flavors, and carbonates your water straight from the tap, seamlessly integrating with your home, saving you time and money.
Whether you like your water fizzy, peach pear flavored, enhanced with electrolytes, or just fresh and clean, you'll be able to customize every glass to your preference.
Our patent-pending flavor pods are dishwasher safe. So no more plastic waste, just tons of convenience.
Our sub-micron carbon block filter is environmentally friendly and filters out over 75 contaminants. That's 15 times more effective than those pitcher-based water filters.
The Rocean One is compatible with any cup or bottle, and it can be controlled from the device or an app, as well as through Google Home or Amazon Alexa.
Hey Google, make flavored water.
Flavored water coming right up.
And because it's smart,
filters, pods, and CO2 replacement tanks can be automatically delivered to your door before you ever run out. On a good day, we want to bring you a smarter way to water. But on our most ambitious days, we want to help set something much bigger into motion. A chain reaction that starts with you. For us, for our oceans, and for our world 30 years from now.